How to remove and replace the air filter on the Toyota CHR 2023. So here, if you open up the car bonnet, you'll be able to view the air filter right here. So this is the air filter, just located on the right hand side, and it is very easy to replace this air filter. There is only two clips here, one and one right here, another one right here. If you want, you can also remove this cable. It is not necessary, but you can, if you wanted to, you can remove that. And then we push down the clip on the side like this. That will open it. Then another clip over here, and that is open. Once it is open, you can lift this one up, and then you need to pull it out. There are clip right here, you need to kind of like wiggle out like this, and then once it is off, you can then lift up this and then have your hand go under and remove the air filter. Okay, so if I lift this one up like this, here I'm going to lift it up and then take out the air filter, and then you can go and purchase a new one and then replace it. So once you have a new air filter, we're going to lift this one up. Then put in a new air filter, and then we push this one back in. Once it is in, we can reconnect this cable, and then we attach or close the clip at the bottom here. Okay, so here we can just pull the clip up on that one and this one right here, and that's it. Fairly straightforward to replace the air filter on for your Toyota CHR. It is very easy to replace, but it will make a big difference for your car. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.